Meet Jane, a single mother of two, working a minimum wage job with a monthly income that barely meets her basic needs. Now, you'd think that with such a tight budget, Jane would be struggling to make ends meet. But here's the twist. Despite her financial constraints, she is not just surviving, she's thriving, and she's managed to save a substantial amount of money. So, who exactly is Jane? She's a woman of grit, determination, and unyielding perseverance. Jane is the embodiment of the phrase making a dollar out of 15 cents. Every day, she faces her financial challenges head on, armed with a unique approach to budgeting and a steadfast commitment to saving. Jane doesn't just live paycheck to paycheck. No, she has turned her financial situation into a game of strategy, stretching every penny to its maximum potential. She's become a master of her money rather than a slave to her circumstances. Jane's approach to money management is not about deprivation, it's about optimization. She's not merely cutting costs, she's creating value. Jane understands that every dollar saved is a dollar earned. And boy, does she know how to save. She's a smart shopper, a DIY queen, and a relentless saver. Jane has the uncanny ability to spot a bargain from a mile away. She's a wizard at repurposing and upcycling, and she's got a knack for finding creative ways to save on everyday expenses. But Jane's journey to financial stability wasn't easy, and it wasn't overnight. It took discipline, creativity, and a whole lot of perseverance. But she stuck to her guns, determined to give her children a better life. Despite her circumstances, Jane managed to save a whopping $6,000 in a year. You heard that right, $6,000 on a minimum wage job. Now, aren't you curious to know how she did it? Stay tuned as we dive into Jane's secrets of frugal living. Jane's first secret to frugal living is her robust budgeting system. Let's delve into the heart of her financial prowess. Jane's budgeting system may seem rudimentary, but its effectiveness is unparalleled. She doesn't need fancy apps or software. Instead, she relies on a simple notebook, a testament to the power of simplicity and consistency. Jane's budgeting blueprint is built on prioritizing needs over wants. She firmly believes in the old adage that if you buy things you don't need, soon you'll have to sell things you need. Therefore, her first step in budgeting is always to identify her needs. These are the non-negotiables, the absolute must-haves like rent, groceries, utilities, and healthcare. Next, she looks at her wants. These are the things that make life more enjoyable but aren't essential for survival. Eating out, a new book, or a movie ticket falls into this category. But she is careful not to let her wants overshadow her needs. She ensures that her wants never exceed 20% of her income. Most importantly, she believes in paying herself first. This means that before she spends a single penny on rent, food, or anything else, she sets aside a portion of her income for savings. This is her golden rule, and she sticks to it, come rain or shine. It is not an exaggeration to say that this principle is the cornerstone of her financial stability. To keep track of her income and expenses, she uses her trusty notebook. She meticulously records every single income and expense, no matter how small. This helps her see where her money is going and identify areas where she can cut back. Her notebook is more than just a ledger, it's a mirror that reflects her financial habits. And that, my friends, is Jane's first secret to frugal living: budgeting. It's not about depriving yourself of things you love. It's about making decisions, prioritizing your needs over wants, and always paying yourself first. A simple yet powerful tool to manage one's finances. Jane's second secret to frugal living is her love for thrift shopping. The moment you step into a thrift store, it's like stepping into a treasure trove of possibilities. She has mastered the art of thrift shopping like no other. She has found everything from designer clothes to classic furniture, and all at a fraction of their original cost. It's not just about finding a bargain, it's about finding value in the overlooked. Imagine this: Jane strolling down the aisles, her keen eyes scanning each item for potential. She doesn't see second-hand items. She sees stories, she sees history, and most importantly, she sees opportunities for savings. Her heart races at the sight of a vintage dress, priced at just a few dollars, but worth so much more in style and character. It's like a game, and Jane is a seasoned player. Thrift shopping allows her to provide for her family without breaking the bank. She's found school uniforms for her children, perfectly good kitchen appliances, and even holiday decorations. She's living proof that you can live a comfortable and fulfilling life without spending a fortune. But the benefits of thrift shopping extend beyond her wallet. It's also a way to reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Every item she brings home is one less item in a landfill. It's a small but significant way she can do her part for the environment. She loves the thrill of the hunt, the joy of discovery, and the satisfaction of a good deal. But above all, she loves the sense of community that comes with thrift shopping. She's met kindred spirits, shared tips and tricks, and even made lifelong friends. Thrift shopping isn't just a way to save money. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, and a philosophy. It's about seeing the potential in things that others have discarded. It's about appreciating the value of things, not just their price tags. That's Jane's second secret to frugal living, thrift shopping. It's all about finding value in the overlooked. Jane's third secret to frugal living is her knack for DIY projects. She's a wizard when it comes to turning the ordinary into extraordinary, and she does it all on a shoestring budget. She found that by rolling up her sleeves and diving into DIY, she could save a significant amount of money. Home repairs, for instance. A leaky faucet that might cost $100 for a plumber to fix. She can handle herself for the price of a $5 washer. And it's not just about saving money. She finds joy in learning new skills and seeing her work come to life. When it comes to her kids' school projects, Jane gets creative. She uses materials she already has around the house, turning cardboard boxes into dioramas and old t-shirts into costumes. Jane's third secret to frugal living, DIY projects. It's about being resourceful and creative. Jane's story is inspiring, isn't it? It's a testament to the power of frugal living. By budgeting meticulously, she's able to stretch her modest income. Thrift shopping has not only reduced her cost of living, but also fueled her creativity. Her DIY projects are not only fun but also cost-effective. But what's truly remarkable is the impact these habits have had on her life and finances. Jane is not just surviving, she's thriving. She's not just saving, she's investing in her future. She's not just cutting costs, she's cultivating a lifestyle of abundance within her means. And the best part? You too can emulate Jane's frugal living secrets. It's not about making huge sacrifices. It's about making smarter choices, being resourceful, and valuing what you have. Remember, like Jane, you too can master the art of frugal living. So why not start today? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and hacks.